Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Asma Shupta. I'm from PET 116. So today I'll talk about food adulteration, which is very bad for us. So what is food? Food is a thing that is very important in a human life. By eating food, we can get energy and also our will to live. But what if the food is adulterated? It will be very bad for us and unhygienic for our health. So first of all, what is food adulteration? It is mainly mixing chemicals and toxic things into food to make it look attractive and to make it look the quality is the best. But it is very unhealthy for ourselves and our daily life, such as it can cause stomach pains and we can be sick for many days for food adulteration and can be poisoned also. So many businessmen do food adulteration to increase their sellings, such as to increase the quality and to make some things to make them weightful or to make them heavy, such as such as if we such as mixing sand or glasses into the food to make the content look heavy, and also some businessmen make the food attractive by mixing different kind of bad chemicals, which is very bad for our health. So which is also very bad and unhygienic for our human life and can cause many effective problems in a bad way. The government took steps in it, but many people don't know about the organizations. So to make the people know, I think that the government should announce it weekly to make the people know what to do when the food is adulterated or they caught someone who is adulterating the food. Uh, the government should let the people know about it, and also uh, who adulterate the food can be arrested by it and won't do anything illegally. Thank you for listening.